Hello everyone, welcome to Get the Analysis. I am Mayur and today we are going to simulate the crane hook that we have modeled in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, please do watch it, link is in the description. So I am going to simulate this crane model that I have created in the previous video. So in order to simulate, I need to jump into the simulation workspace by clicking on the drop down over here. The pop-up will appear asking you which type of study do you want to do on your model. I'm going to select the static study and select the create study option. The first and foremost thing that I'm going to do is choose the material of the model. So mainly the crane hook is made up of wrought iron. So I'm going to select the wrought iron option by scrolling down and say OK. The next important part, that is constraint. So in this crane hook, which particular faces are going to be fixed. So either you can keep the spheres fixed or you can keep the cylinder as a fixed. I'm going to select the sphere as a fixed part. So now the constraints are given. The next part is the load. In this particular load, we are going to apply a remote force so that the location is precise. You can give the location and the direction of force as per your wish. The difference between normal force and remote force is that you can give the location of the force you want in the remote force. A crane is made for resisting the high amount of force of about 15,000 Newton to 20,000 Newton. So for the basic version, I am going to give the force of 15,000 Newton on our model and say OK. Now that the model is ready to be simulated, the green check mark will appear over here. I am going to solve the study by clicking on the solve button. There are two options to solve the study, that is locally or on a cloud. I am going to recommend you to solve it on the cloud only. Solving study takes a bit of time depending upon your internet connectivity. If the connectivity is pretty good, it would be solved in no time. Alright, our study is been solved. A pop-up will appear showing the result details. The minimum factor of safety is 0.92, which is not at all recommendable. But the most of the surface that on the model appears blue, which means the factor of safety is around 8. So the average will go between 5 to 8. So our model has the capability of handling a force of 15,000 newtons. You can analyze your model for different amount of forces just by double clicking on this arrow. You can change the magnitude, say 20,000 newtons, and say OK. You need to solve your study once more so that it gets solved for the amount of force that you have changed. Alright, we have simulated our model for the force of 20,000 Newton. You can see the minimum factor of safety is 0.68, the maximum is 8. The most of the portion that appears is blue, so our model is still safe for the force of 20,000 Newton. You can analyze the stress, the strain, and the amount of displacement in your model. You can also animate the model by clicking on the animate option from this. Click on the play button. You can see what changes are occurring in the displacement once the load is applied. So this was all about the simulation. for the wrought iron. I have done the simulation for grey cast iron. You can check out the details in the blog that we have uploaded on our website. The link is in description. So this was all about the simulation and modeling of the crane hook. We are going to come up with different models in our next videos. So stay tuned for it. Thank you for watching this video. This is Mayur Tarpe signing off for today. Meet you in the next video.